just doing a before and midway, and we'll do an after also. So I picked up 2 of these Ariat boots at a recent yard sale, and they're in good condition. They're just a little scuffed up and dirty. So this one hasn't been touched yet. I don't know if you can see. It's not too bad. This one has been cleaned. So it looks a little nicer. Looks a little newer, less scuffed. I didn't do the good job there. I'll have to hit that area again. But I don't know, I watched somebody online, they use this on leather and suede, so this is what I've been doing to clean it with rag. And, sorry, doing laundry in the background too. And then afterwards, and I'll show you the after picture, I'm going to do the conditioner. And then you'll truly see a before and after. Okay, now this one's drooping. We got a before and after now. This is before. I haven't cleaned this yet. I haven't conditioned it yet. This is the after. It's like 2 different color boots. Now, this will take you know what? It's already dry, actually. But it's a beautiful Ariat boot. It's a size 12. Really nice. And I got them for $8 at the yard sale. So a little bit of cleaning up, and I don't know how much Ariat boots are going for anymore, but I'm going to guess around 30 at least, but I could be completely wrong. Believe it or not, I find cleaning boots, leather boots, easier than cleaning tennis shoes. I just use the leather cleaner and some conditioner, and bam, it's done. So what do you guys think? Pretty boots? They're men's, but I think they're gorge. They are gorgeous. Love Ariats.